Stop wasting time manually filling out documents and start automating your workflow by mastering Google Doc template editing in Zapier. Today, we're diving deep into how Zapier can dynamically modify your Google Doc templates, empowering you to instantly generate personalized documents. Imagine creating custom reports, contracts, or invoices without lifting a finger. Let's get started. First, prepare your Google Doc template. Crucially, use unique placeholder tags for every piece of information you want to dynamically insert. These tags, enclosed in double curly braces like customer name, act as markers for Zapier to fill in. Now, head over to Zapier and create a new Zap. For this example, we'll trigger our automation with a new row added to a Google Sheet, which contains our customer data. Choose your trigger app and event. You can also use triggers from other apps like Forms or CRMs. Next, in the action step, select Google Docs from the available actions. Choose Create Document from Template. This is where the magic begins. Connect your Google account if you haven't already. And importantly, select the exact Google Doc template you prepared in Step 1 from the drop-down menu. Zapier will then analyze your template and show you all the placeholder tags you created. Now, the critical part, mapping your data for each placeholder tag in your template. You'll map the corresponding data field from your trigger app. So, customer name from your template would be mapped to the customer name column from your Google Sheet. Do this for every placeholder you want to populate. Finally, you can decide what happens to your generated document. You can choose to save it directly to your Google Drive, organize it into specific folders, or even share it via email. Configure these final settings to suit your workflow. And there you have it. With a new entry in your Google Sheet, Zapier automatically creates a personalized Google Doc, populated with your data. This is incredibly powerful for automating repetitive document creation tasks. Happy automating.